Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to sell crypto on Bitget. First, open your browser and go to the Bitget website. Now, log into your account. Once you're in, click on the Buy Crypto tab at the top menu. Then, from the drop-down, select P2P Trading. Now, in the top right corner, click on More and then choose Payment Methods. Scroll down and tap on Add a Payment Method. Here, fill in your details. Bitget might ask for verification to enable this. You can skip or complete it based on your needs. After that, go back to P2P trading page. Now, select the crypto you want to sell like USDT, BTC or ETH. Then, choose the currency you want to receive in return, for example USD or INR. Now, enter the amount you want to sell. Then, select a buyer offer that suits you and tap on Sell. Complete the steps to send the crypto and receive payment from the buyer. And that's it, your crypto is sold successfully. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.